that's what the whole title is about. Of course, when you think about Father's Day is a holiday, but at the same time, for y'all who got kids out there, Father is 365 days a year, day, night.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all got kids, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have
Yeah, yeah.
11-year-old.
And
Yep.
so all of that rolled into the title, those three particular words on the title is like, how do I grab people's attention? And I think I did a pretty good job with coming up with that. So
Was it like your initial name for the book, or you just kind of you got a download? You was like, oh no, I'm gonna use that.
I mean, I wrestled with a couple different names, but that one just kept sticking with me. But it was like, I can't put Fuck on my book because
No.
if,
That's not
if
gonna
I
be
try,
good for the algorithms. Yeah.
yeah, I'm like, it's not gonna do what it need to do for algorithms. If I try to put it in
Mm-hmm.
certain stores, I was like, if I find a way to get this in churches, will pastors want to receive?
Mm-hmm.
Like, let me sell
Mm-hmm.
it this way so that I can kind of soften it, but I still want people to feel that emotional part about it. And my gut was like, yes, go with it. But then, that kind of like, I don't know if people gonna receive it. I battled with it for a while. Then I was just like, might go with your gut. You know what I'm saying? And
Right.
the good part about it is when I think about like just who I am as a person, and when I presented it to pastors, they didn't go against it and be like, I can't,
That's dope. They thought it
I
was
can't
workable. Yeah.
go with it, because a lot of them grew up without their dad, and
Mm-hmm. They can
That's
relate.
that's what's up.
they
That's what's
they've
up.
experienced that feeling. So